Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to link and verify your email with WeChat account. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you need to do is to open up your WeChat account. So I'm going to open my WeChat account. So having opened up your WeChat account, next thing you need to do is to simply click on me right here. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on account security. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on more settings. So it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on email. So it's take you right here. What you need to do is to simply enter your email address right here and make sure you click on linked email with WeChat. With that, your account is going to be linked with your mail, and this is going to protect your account and increase your level of the security that require for your WeChat account protection. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply link and verify your email with your WeChat account. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.